What's up, y'all? Domino is back, and my phone charged up to 40%. So I'm back. So I kind of wonder why am I bringing y'all back with the same game? This is NBA 2K23. That's what this is, y'all. Okay. All right. Y'all gonna see that later. Okay. If y'all if y'all watch the show, but I'm gonna upload it. I'm gonna press the upload button tomorrow morning, and then I'm it'll be uploaded tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Who knows? Okay. All right. So yeah, y'all. Okay. I mean, we reading about time. Yeah. Let me get back to that. All right. Look at them, y'all. But y'all gonna see this again. But if you're watching this on my on the Domino Seven vlog channel, then go to the Domino 866 gameplay channel and watch this game. Okay, NBA 2K23, the Hawks versus the Grizzlies. Okay, that's what y'all need to know. Okay, halftime. I'm glad y'all enjoyed that. You know, all right. How many of y'all enjoyed that show? Okay, uh-huh. Y'all see that? Mm. Hawks versus the Grizzlies. Or should I say Grizzlies? I could be wrong. Oh yeah, that's right. The Grizzlies. Or should I say the Grizzlies? All right. All right. Down to our last possession. Kevin Harlan said, you know. Hmm. Yeah, because I guess it's been tied most of the game if possible. You know. All right. Yeah, one more time about during about Tanya. Unexpectedly, it wasn't my intentions though. But Tanya, if you're watching this, you know, I don't know. I don't know if you've been thinking about me, talking about me, saying, "Oh, I miss Domino and stuff like that." Domino Seven is an easy guy to miss, you know, but sometimes hard to miss, you know, because Domino Seven is a nice guy, you know. So don't be mean to Domino and expect Domino to be nice. I'm talking to other people, you know. Be mean to Domino in the past. What the hell, you know? Hmm. All right. So now I'm about to go to Instagram Live, okay? So I'm about to go to Instagram Live and stuff like that, you know. Okay. This this Facebook Live is still with no title. Uh, they had a parade around here that I missed. That I think. Well, I don't know if I missed it or not, but I don't know if they had a parade around here. If they did, I missed it. All right. Yep. Yeah, I guess this game gonna come down to the wire. I hope y'all gonna like it though. Okay. All right, that's all I gotta say. Okay. God bless your time if you're watching this. Okay. So I mean, no, that's that's over with. I'm not in love with Tanya anymore. You know. Hmm. So like I said, I like Erica. You know, and I'm pretty sure Erica's watching this video. You know. Oh well. That's all I gotta say. All right. I'm about to go on Instagram Live. Okay.